Day 3 of the allotment revamp down here at the plot. Yes, it started raining, but we're down here and we're going to be working hard, fingers crossed, before it does start raining really bad down here. Hopefully we manage to get enough done so that we can get it all finished tomorrow. Fingers crossed, but we'll see how the weather copes up. So let's have a look at what we've done and what we're doing today down at the plot. So as you can see, we've got 3 arches up already. We've taken out all the brick beds. We've put them to the side for the time being. We've dug it all over. It's not the best soil in the world, but it'll do for what we need it to do. We've built 2 beds around the frame so far. And yeah, we want it to have like frames up like we've got at the top of the plot down there. And today's job is going to be clearing out all this weed pile what I've got here, and hopefully get the next 2 arches up in place here. That's the plan anyway, but we'll see how much we get done with this weather that we've got and see if we manage to get much of it done today. So let's crack on, let's get all this cleared and let's get all that cleared and the arches up. I've managed to clear where I'm going to put my next arches in this bit here. So yeah, all that wood we're hidden away. Hopefully we'll make use of that. If not, it'll be used for my burning. But yeah, so much to clear. So many bricks. Why have I used so many bricks on my allotment? And lots of bindweed. Look at that compost heap. It's getting too big now. We'll just cover that up and hide it and let it rot down over the years. And there we have it. All 5 arches are up in place. So the next job, I think, will be starting to lay out my paths and my beds to go behind and get all that bit done. Tomorrow we'll obviously build there's beds around the arches for the flower beds. But yeah, let's get the new paths laid and the new beds laid behind. There we have it, the first bed built and the paths around it. We'll put black membrane over the carpet. We can't burn that down here, so just lay it back down and cover it with black membrane, and then hopefully have some wood chip over it, or paving slabs eventually over it all. But yeah, happy with that. Keeping the rustic look of having the brickwork, and yeah, we need to build some more beds down here, so let's keep going. Started raining, that's day 3 complete. It's time to get home and get relaxed and clean up because I'm absolutely filthy. But we've completed day 3 and I can't believe how much we've got done down here at the allotment. The transformation is coming along amazing. I can't believe how well it's starting to look, and once it's all completed and filled with plants and flowers, it will look absolutely divine next year, fingers crossed, down here at the plot. So let's have a look at what the transformation looks like now. So we have got in the 3 new beds built with brickwork to make them look a bit rustic and a bit nice, and obviously the brickwork will last, it won't rot like wood, but yeah, it looks so much better. And we've relaid the paths. We've used the old carpet tiles because we can't burn them, and I'm not taking them to the tip. I'll cover them with black membrane and then cover them with wood chip, and it'll look nice once it's all completed, all this bit. We've started moving out the edging further out so that we can have a flower border down this top bit, and then we're going to hopefully bring out all this bit down here, and this area is going to be a seating area and hopefully my burning area as well. So that's going to be a nice little area in the shade down at the plot. Tomorrow's job is going to be clearing this lot. Lots of old chicken wire. I don't know what I'm going to do with it all, where to put it all, but we'll find somewhere. We'll move it further down the plot. And yeah, we've got some black membrane which we're going to use for the paths and for the seating area, keep the weeds down. But yeah, it's come on so good now. Like, we've got the 5 frames up and they're in place. Hopefully we'll get some climbers to climb up them, climbing plants to look good. But yeah, I'm impressed with how well it's all starting to turn out. We've got the beds to build around the bases of the frames those are going to be my flower beds. They're going to have like pansies in and spring bulbs in. Hopefully they'll get enough sunlight to help them flower. But yeah, it's starting to chuck it down now, so we can't stay down here much longer. But can you believe it, how well it's coming on in day 3 of the allotment transformation? It's looking so much better, apart from that big pile of rubbish and weeds, but it'll rot down over the years, probably about 20 years, but oh well, it'll go. But yeah, I'm so impressed with it all. We've got to obviously put compost in the beds because the soil's not very good up here, and then we've got to think about what we're going to be planting in them. I've had to come in the polytunnel to finish the video off because it's absolutely bounced it down. Look at how lucky I am. But yeah, it's absolutely bounced it down. A lot of people have said that it was raining down where they are. Thankfully, we've managed 5 hours down here at the plot today, and I'm so impressed with how much we've got done before the rain actually came. I've got as much done as I wanted to get done, probably even more, to be honest. So we're going to be back down here for day 4. Like I said, I don't think we're going to get it all completed by tomorrow, but we'll give it a good try, and we're going to continue it over the next few weekends and get it all sorted and looking good. Like I said, it's great to start doing these jobs now because there's nothing much growing down at the allotment now, and obviously next month we'll be planting as garlic and as winter onions. But now is the time to be preparing, getting everything ready, getting it all tidied, doing any improvements down at the plot and getting it all looking ship shape ready for next year while there's not much to do. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed day 3 of the transformation. Make sure you give us a follow to stay up to date and to see day 4 transformation. Until tomorrow everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.